If you're watching this video, like it and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our scale and chord tutorial videos. Today we are talking about G flat or F sharp. It can go by two names. We're going to go with F sharp lettering for this video. We'll first show you the scale on the right hand, then the left hand, and then hands together. This scale has 6 sharps or 6 flats, either way we look at it. I said we'd talk about sharp keys, so we have an F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, and an E sharp, which means F, and harmonically. We'll do it in the right hand, first with letter names, and then fingering numbers. Starting on the pointer finger, we have F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp. Good. Same way back down. B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp. Again, in fingering numbers, start on a 2. We go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. In the left hand, we'll do it again with letter names, then fingering numbers. Starting on the ring finger, we go F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, G, E, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp. Fingering numbers, starting on a 4, that's our ring finger, we'll go 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands together. Left hand starts on the 4th finger. Right hand starts on the 2nd finger. Slowly go. Check those ending fingers. Go through that again for good practice. I encourage it, and then play on to our next scale video.